SAP BPC, Business Planning and Consolidation, is SAP CPM application for streamlining the planning and financial reporting processes of an organization, encompassing in a single application planning, budgeting, forecasting and financial consolidations capabilities. The Biz&Plan Connector is the productivity environment for SAP BPC. Developed by Extend Software, the Biz&Plan Connector exposes hidden BPC-specific Netweaver web services, allowing access and manipulation of BPC data and metadata from third-party applications and other environments external to SAP. The SAP BPC for Netweaver environment provides a series of locked web services, used by the standard BPC interfaces, the BPC admin and the EPM Office add-in. The BP connector is a set of classes that communicates with the BPC environment using the same web services used by BPC admin and the EPM Office admin interfaces. The BP connector environment encompasses a compiler that translates these classes into a sequential command language called BPQL, Biz&Plan Query Language. The BPQL language resembles the standard SQL database programming language, and makes the learning and use of the SAP BPC application easier. For analysts and programmers already familiar with the SQL language, over the BPQL compiler level there is a set of web services that allows a BPQL command to be executed through an HTTP request, using any client interface developed in any programming language that supports the use web services. With this platform, customized applications and interfaces can be developed, and the following actions over the SAP BPC environment can be performed: convert, transport, migrate and duplicate models, execute complex operations interacting using the SAP BPC databases, integrate the SAP BPC environment with external applications, create an instrument for developing new products and applications using SAP BPC, creation of external interfaces for editing BPC data and dimensions, with additional functionalities related to business issues, decrease the SAP BPC learning curve. BP Connector provides a powerful graphical interface for graphically access and manipulate BPC data and metadata. BP Connector's right-click object creation metaphor speeds up metadata management, including attribute creation with enforcing referential integrity, and data import-export, making it easy for both IT professionals and business users to develop, test and deploy new models. The BPQL SQL-like scripting language helps automation of SAP BPC model creation, storing command scripts for the creation or modification of either single objects or entire environments. The BPQL script files not only makes development, testing and deployment easier but allows the backup and restore of any specific object in an environment, including models, dimensions, attributes, data and the entire environment itself. The Biz&Plan Connector is a development framework that allows non-SAP applications to directly access and manipulate BPC data and metadata. The BP Connector exposes the specific Netweaver BPC web services, up to now only accessible by the BPC administration and Excel BPC add-in interfaces or ABAP coding, in classes that can be used by standard programming languages: Java, .NET, HTML5, iOS, Android among others. Using BP Connector's SQL-like BPQL scripting language commands, non-SAP applications developed with standard programming languages can interact directly with BPC, being able to read and write BPC data and metadata, opening a whole new world of possibilities. Applications can be developed to provide mobile workers access to specific BPC data, to perform audits, to back up and restore pieces of data and metadata, run specific simulations and even migrate models and data between different EPM applications. The development environment also allows the creation of customized desktop or web data entry forms, enabling intelligent, light-weighted user-tailored interfaces that increases BPC adoption and minimize data entry errors. Let's see a real example. Let us start with BPC standard interface, and use the product dimension as example. The dimension has a hierarchy and two attributes. The first attribute is a unit of measurement, and the second a feature, whose values are yes and no. We can also see the products in an hierarchical view. In another window, let us display the custom interface, using BP connector. And open the maintenance screen, using the same dimension, product. We can see, in the customized interface, the same hierarchical that is seen when using the standard BPC interface. Let's now add a new product, using the custom interface. We will add a new product, under oil. The custom interface offers a user-friendly form, where the user can include and edit all the dimension attributes. Now you can see the existing choices for the measurement, until and options for the second attribute in, yes or no radio button. After saving the data, we can see the new product was successfully created. Switching to the standard BPC interface, we can also see the new product is already there. And, using the list format, we can also see the attributes included.